We're here at the SEMA show. We're with Alpha Rex. I have Danny Parker over here. We're talking about these entry-level lights over here. Tell me a little bit about these lights and kind of your flagship lights.
So we have the Pro Series here, and they're going to be very similar to the Nova Series, except with a halogen projector. So they're going to have very similar technology with the DRL activation feature. They're also perma-sealed as well to keep away fogging and condensation, as well as being DOT and SAE compliant as well.
Alpha Rex has a handful of lights, but what type of consumers would actually buy this Pro Series?
So for someone looking to modify their vehicle, this is a great first step. Upgrading the performance of your lighting, as well as changing the front end of your vehicle. And to top it all off, all of our headlights are plug and play, making them super easy to install.
So for all the consumers watching at home, where could they go online and check this light out at?
So you can go to alpharexusa.com, but we're also on social media, Instagram and Facebook, AlphaRexUSA. Check us out there.
So if you're looking for a great new entry-level light for your custom ride, check out Alpha Rex. We have more coverage coming your way right here from the SEMA show.